Atlantic Canada's spring lobster season has come to a close, marking a mixed performance across key harvesting regions and setting the stage for a volatile summer market. For European buyers, current conditions signal a period of tightening supply, firm pricing, and the need for forward planning as Q3 progresses. The 2025 spring lobster fishery ended with total landings down 10 to 15% compared to last year. Nova Scotia and Newfoundland experienced lower than expected catches, while Quebec emerged as a standout with stronger performance. Despite these regional differences, the overall reduction in supply contributed to a notable price escalation. Dock prices rose 25 to 45% year over year, reflecting the supply shortfall and steady demand during May and June. Shore prices in Nova Scotia and New Brunswick remained elevated through the end of the season, driven in part by warmer waters limiting daily catch rates. As the summer slowdown sets in, landings have tapered off in most regions, leading to price instability. Live lobster prices are fluctuating by up to $1 per pound week to week, depending on size and harvest location. Demand remains active, particularly for large lobsters, 2 pounds and over, keeping upward pressure on prices. With major fisheries now closed, the market is increasingly reliant on previously held inventory, much of which is being depleted. Earlier in the season, many processors and exporters built up live tank inventories to meet summer and early fall demand. However, stock levels are now reported as moderate to low, especially for premium-sized lobsters. With strong demand from Europe and Asia, inventory is expected to tighten further through August. Some suppliers are reserving premium product for Q4 re-exports, aligning with high-value holiday orders. This strategy could create additional short-term constraints on availability, particularly for buyers looking to secure live or large-format lobster. European markets continue to benefit from tariff-free access under CETA, keeping demand healthy for both live and processed lobster products. However, several large Canadian packers are now prioritizing frozen tail and whole lobster production for Q4 export programs. This focus on frozen inventory buildup may reduce the volume of live lobster available for export in the coming weeks, posing a potential challenge for EU buyers relying on steady summer shipments. Our recommendation is that European buyers should secure Q3 supply now, particularly for large live lobster and premium tails. Consider forward contracts for fall and holiday programs, and monitor upcoming harvest from lobster fishing areas 33 and 34 off Nova Scotia for winter planning. With tight supply and firm prices expected through August, early action is key to securing product and managing risk into Q4. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe to our Europe 3-Minute Market Insight to keep tuned in to European market updates. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight, Europe Edition. This has been Mariana, reminding you to buy smart and eat more seafood.